buzzing, there's something going down. Look, the stick up buzzing, there's something going down. Stick up grind and get beat the fuck down. Right from the door, you know I'm tearing shit up just like flippers. I give us something haircuts. Calling me the barber when I'm cutting up your pockets. Looking for your money, yo, my sticker boys got it. Leo's my sign, so I'm straight out the jungle. Robbing motherfuckers in the corner for they bundles. Got it going on with the pistol. So you can't say shit cause I get stole. Got my boy CK out to get paid. And he's robbing motherfuckers lying around the way. Seen a brother with a knot, so he's no joke. Now he's madder than a mug cause he's flat broke. Caught shooting through the path with the gun points. Where we smoke motherfuckers like a fat joint. Lighting blunts as it flows through my system. And get the urge, word, another victim. I got 9 lines, rhymes to get mine. Design to find what's in your pocket like a slimy oxen. Don't try me. Stick up moves is for the 90s. So stick behind me. It's the stick up boys and there's something going down. Stick up boys and there's something going down. Look, the stick up boys and there's something going down. Stick up grind and get beat the fuck down. Stick up boys and there's something going down. Stick up boys and there's something going down. Look, the stick up boys and there's something going down. Stick up grind and get beat the fuck down. I got the magnum pointed at your head. You got to look like a motherfucker's dead. I'm paid in full, paid by the fools. Or you get the polka dots colored in red. I got the time in duty, I go. Rolling with Cisco, watch the kids go into action, just like the movie Snatch and Pockets collapsing. It's the stick up boys and there's something going down. Stick around and get beat the fuck down. It's not wild, keep your eyes on the bunching like 3 blind mice. You didn't see nothing. Another day's hustle in the hood with the muscle. Got it down pat, work of art like Picasso. Everybody strapped, so why you think we got so paid off the weekend? Pull it on stickers. Pull it on stickers.